Hello there, here is Fabio, your English teacher. I hope you're doing well. Today's video is going to be about the way we use modal verbs to talk about things that are possible. When we talk about general possibilities, we usually use the verb can. Heart attacks can occur without much warning. In more formal or academic English, we often use may. Heart attacks may occur without much warning. In these cases, can and may mean that heart attacks without warning are generally possible. When we speculate about something that is possible now or at a specific time in the future, we often use could. If you carry on with this unhealthy lifestyle, you could end up having a heart attack. In this case, I am speculating about a specific time in the future. Could, may, might are all used to speculate about specific possibilities and are used when we're not 100% sure. For example, heart attacks could be caused by stress. On the other hand, some other distressing life events might be causing them. Your theory may be correct. We wouldn't use can in any of these examples because we use can to make general statements about what is generally possible. For example, heart attacks can lead to heart failure. For strong possibilities, you can add the adverb well. Compare these two sentences. Heart attacks may be caused by stress. Heart attacks may well be caused by stress. By using may well, I am saying that I am more certain about the fact that stress may result in a heart attack. Let's have a look at another example. Your theory may be correct. In this case, I am 50% sure that your theory is correct. Your theory may well be correct. In this case, I am 80% sure that your theory is correct. For negative possibilities, we put not after the modal verb. This new drug has not been tested and may not be safe to use, or this new drug has not been tested and might not be safe to use. May not and might not mean possibly not. Don't use couldn't or can't when you want to talk about negative possibilities. Couldn't or can't mean definitely not. Let's have a look at the future. May, could, and might can also refer to the future. Let's have a look at these sentences. Scientists may find that stress is the primary cause of heart attacks. Scientists might find that stress is the primary cause of heart attacks. Scientists could find that stress is the primary cause of heart attacks. May is slightly more likely than the other two. For past possibilities, referring to specific events or times in the past, we use may have, might have, and could have. Ancient Romans may have used Chinese medicine to treat celiac disease. For general possibilities and things that were always or generally possible in the past, we use could without have. Before the discovery of antibiotics, even the most innocuous cut could be fatal. That's all for today. I hope this video helped you work out the difference between could, may, and might. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.